Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this creators digital course platform, which is Dropcourse.io. So let's dive into it. So talking about Dropcourse.io, Dropcourse is designed for creators who want to quickly launch and sell digital course without starting from scratch. It offers a pre-made customizable courses content, ready to use video clip, landing page template, and AI-powered assistance to help streamline setup. Users like how easy it is to build professional-looking course fast, and many appreciate that the platform includes community features and tools that can save time compared to creating everything manually. So on the downside, Dropcourse has raised concern around transparency, with some users reporting issues canceling subscription and claiming the marketing overpromise result. It also seen has a better chance for beginner than advanced course creator, since customizations can feel limited compared to platforms like Kjab or Thinkific. So in conclusion, Dropcourse can be useful if you want a quick, done for you course setup, but it's best to approach with realistic expectation and double check subscription terms before committing. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.